Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, let's explore how to restore your gut health in 4 simple steps, doctor approved. When you experience unexplained symptoms or autoimmune flare-ups, your body might be signaling an internal imbalance. Often overlooked, the health of your gut plays a crucial role. This means everything you consume directly impacts how well you manage inflammation. If your gut flora, the community of bacteria in your intestines, is out of balance, your body may be less equipped to regulate immune responses. Beyond autoimmune concerns, a balanced gut supports overall well-being. The gut and brain are closely connected, meaning stress and anxiety can significantly impact your digestive health. There's a common misconception that solely focusing on external treatments will resolve these internal imbalances. However, research from experts emphasizes that what you feed your gut microorganisms is as important as any medication. Recognizing that restoring your gut health is an essential treatment strategy can be a transformative shift. Imagine your gut as a vibrant community. When it's thriving, there's order and balance. But if harmful elements take over, chaos ensues, leading to breakdowns and inflammation. Restoring balance requires a strategy, targeting underlying causes, promoting diversity, using nutrition as fuel, and managing the mind-body connection. Explaining how reducing stress through mindfulness strengthens gut-brain communication. Modern lifestyles with processed foods, frequent antibiotic use and stress have disrupted this natural microbial balance. Restoring your gut might seem overwhelming, but it can be broken down into manageable parts. Think of it like renovating a home. You fix the foundation before anything else. This involves practical steps, such as evaluating your diet, supporting the intestinal barrier, and implementing stress reduction techniques. Monitoring and adjusting your approach based on subtle changes like improved digestion or energy levels are critical signs that your gut is healing. Essential nutrients and specific foods also play a role in rebuilding and fortifying your intestinal lining. So what are the specific 4 simple steps that experts advocate for restoring gut health? How do you properly evaluate your diet for gut restoration? Which nutrients truly support the intestinal barrier? And what specific stress reduction techniques have the most impact on gut balance? While we've outlined the key areas, the precise, doctor-approved framework involves understanding the nuances of each step and how to implement them effectively for optimal results. If you're ready to understand the key components of your gut microbiome, grasp how gut flora influences immunity, and learn a practical, doctor-approved strategy for restoring balance and reducing flare-ups, then there is a complete guide waiting for you. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more about restoring gut health, you can find a detailed video linked in the description below. And to discover the complete 4-step doctor-approved protocol for gut health restoration, check out the course linked in the description. If you're ready to take charge of your gut health and immune system, like this video as a commitment to your well-being, share this proven protocol with anyone who needs to fix their digestive issues. And for the complete step-by-step guide to a healthier, more vibrant life, subscribe to our channel today.